You guys have to try my homemade Jamaican beef patty.
You saw it, so I'm gonna make it. So I have all the ingredients. As you can see, I have the red pepper, yellow pepper, and orange pepper. I have my onion, my scallion. I have garlic. What else did I put in there? That's pretty much everything that I've put in there. But this is really just a voice over my cooking / ASMR. This is Anna Talks, as if you think about it, it's an Anna Talks. But anyways, I want to talk about how I've been feeling for this Christmas season. Like, Christmas is coming up, it's next week, and to be honest with you guys, I don't feel good. Like, I don't feel like I want to spend time with family. I don't feel like going out. I don't feel like doing anything. I don't feel like, like my mood feels, I've been a bit down. I honestly don't know why. I don't know what's going on. Like, I probably do. I just don't want to think about it right now. But, like, lately I've just been feeling down. Like, this year has been a lot. And now that this year is ending, I just feel exhausted. And I don't know. I just finished school and everything, and I don't know. Like, I know if I don't go visit my family or whatever, my family's definitely going to say something about it. There's no doubt they're going to say something about it. And honestly, I don't blame them. Like, I'm pretty bad for just not visiting them. But it's not because I don't like my family. I love my family. It's just something eternally that's going on with me. And it's just so hard. And that's why I'm like, whenever I think about, like, oh my gosh, Hannah, like, you have no friends. And I'm like, it's a good thing that I don't have any friends, because I get like this a lot of times. And, sometimes those friends might want to hang out with me. And sometimes I'm in that mood. And, it's very hard, especially being in a relationship. It's hard having those moods and having to tell your partner, like, please, today is not the day, because you just feel like, I don't know, I can't explain it. My mood changes, and I guess I'm feeling a little blue this season, but, like, I don't know, guys. Maybe I've just been out of it. Like, I'm trying to snap out of it, but I feel like, let me think. I just feel like I feel out, like, I don't know, like, I feel like I just don't belong. And it's really just a mental thing. Like, sometimes I just feel like it's me in this big world, and I'm just, like, by myself. I feel isolated sometimes, and I don't help myself by just, like, being in the room all day, and, like, that makes it worse. And I just really have to snap out of it, because, like, it's not good. I'm not making myself feel better. You know what I mean? But anyways, that's just, like, a rant. Like, I'm really not feeling for Christmas as much as people are feeling for. I don't know. I just feel weird. Like, I feel I don't know, maybe my mood will change, but I just feel weird. Also, can we talk about the Christian BBL? This girl named Sociology or whatever. She named her title a Christian BBL. Now, I'm not judging or anything, but, like, she could have just said BBL. She didn't have to involve God in the whole Christian BBL thing. Like, she really didn't have to do all of that. It could have been a simple, I got a BBL, and no one would probably care as much. But a Christian BBL, that's just out of pocket. That's just out of pocket, and, it just feels like she's using
You so nosy.
God for clickbait, and it's just not cute. It's not cute. I don't know. It's just in my opinion. All we can do as Christians, to be honest, is pray for her, because that's crazy. And also, I was trying to look like in her at her Instagram to see like what her body looked like before, and her body looks good. Her body looked good before. Like, her body looks snatched. Like, you know what I mean? I wish I had that body. You know what I'm saying? Not to compare anything, but her body looks nice. So I'm like, damn, like, why would she do that? Why would she do that? But it's none of my business. It's none of my concern. You know, she got it, and that's fine. You know, her body looks nice, but I feel like it's kind of vain. It's in my opinion, I said what I said. It's very much vanity. It's giving vanity, and God wants you to come as you are. You know what I mean? You don't have to be changing up yourself. And I assure you, I'm watching the video. I assure you, God did not tell her to do that, and she knows that. And I think she probably said that. I forgot what the video was about. It's a long time since I watched it, but you know what I mean? Like, it's just really not worth it. Like, there's no point in getting the naming it Christian BBL. There's no point. But anyways, yeah. But yeah, also, as you guys can see in this video, we haven't reached that. Anyways, there's a point where after I put this in the fridge for 1 hour and I take it out, I didn't have a rolling board thing. You know, the thing that you roll out your dough? Yeah, I didn't have that. So I had to use the end of a mix thing, like I forget what it's called, to mix it, to round it, like roll it out, because your girl wasn't as much as prepared as she wanted to be. But
oh my gosh.
Oh, and it fell in the cake too. You saw that it fell in the cake. But anyways, your girl tried it. Anyways, I'm just gonna give you guys a little, vibe to the music, vibe to my brother's beat. This is his music. He makes great music. He makes great instrumental beats. He's a talented individual. Let me tell you that. He is very talented, and the day that he gets big, I'm gonna be so happy, because like, it's well deserved. His hard work, he has hundred of songs, and as I tell him every day, it needs to be released. It needs to be released. You need to stop playing. You know what I mean? It's not a game. Anyways, I'm gonna let you guys listen to that little instrumental. This is gonna be a long day. really hot right now. I'm gonna try it. It's really good. And it's meaty. I rate it like a 7 out of 10. I like it. Wow. This recipe is wow. I'm sorry. It's an 8 out of 10. Sorry, it's so hot I can barely eat, but the bread, the flour, like this recipe was really good, but it tastes delicious. And the crunch is wow. Oh my gosh.